Assalamu alaikum, beautiful people. Hope you guys are doing well, having a great time. So, today we are here with another exciting opportunity, and this time, this opportunity is from the United States of America. It's from Harvard Business School, it's from Harvard University. So, if you're new to our channel, kindly consider subscribing to our channel to hit the bell icon as well so that you don't miss any of the upcoming updates. Without any delay, let's just talk about today's opportunity. It's a scholarship in Harvard University 2022. It's a fully funded opportunity. And if you talk about the details, how to get a Harvard University scholarship, to apply for this amazing scholarship in the University of Harvard 2022. It is funded by Boston Foundation, and it is only for MBA scholarship at the Harvard Business School in Boston, Massachusetts. Education figure, trip, accommodation, externship are completely financed by Harvard Boston Foundation. The Harvard MBA is regarded as one of the best business programs in the world. Harvard American Scholarship is one of the top loftiest paid scholarships in the world. So these are some of the further details. Applying process is online. Your CV, your documents, everything, whatever, we'll go dig deeper into that. We'll explain everything. You don't need to worry. What you have to think about is there is no registration fees, neither any loftiest CGPA demand from Harvard scholarship, and like it is actually kind of possible for outstanding students to get this scholarship in the United States of America for MBA. 2 years, 31st of May is the last date to apply. If we talk about the foundation, Boston Foundation, or the organization who is funding this opportunity, it was formed in 2006 by Nabil Bounty and his son Fadi Monaca, and Switzerland are home to the Bounty Foundation. So this funding is coming basically from Switzerland to you to study in the United States of America. So, and dating the foundation itself, the first Bouncy scholarship was awarded in 1997 to an MPA pupil at the University of Cambridge. The foundation has since awarded numerous literacies or scholarships in color fields with plans to produce further openings in the coming times for acceptance scholars. So, this if you talk about the financial coverage, tip coverage are completely financed from home country to America. Accommodation is free. Education figure is discriminator overdue externship installation by Bouncy Foundation, and the figure is not mentioned right here, but the figure is mentioned here somewhere. Yeah, this is the figure. So if we go down and check out the eligibility criteria, campaigners, applicants must have an excellent academic background. Obviously it's University of Harvard, so we need excellent academic background. Although the scholarship can be awarded to campaigners of any nation, campaigners may apply for the scholarship only after entering an offer of admission from the Harvard MBA program. Although the scholarship can be awarded to campaigners of any nation, precedence will be given to campaigners of Lebanese descent. Aspirants must have an undergraduate degree to get MBA scholarship. Still, you may be invited to an interview with the foundation if shortlisted. One seeker will also be awarded the scholarship. Successful scholars are anticipated to complete a 2 month overdue externship with the foundation. How to apply? Basically, you just need to kind of click on this link right here. When you click on this link, this page will come up, and Harvard University MBA scholarship. This is the overview. This is the eligibility criteria. If you wish to apply, please send a copy of your CV with a photograph, GMAT scores, and acceptance letter from the university to this address. If shortlisted, you may be invited to an interview with the foundation. One candidate will then be awarded the scholarship. Deadline is this: the scholarship will be awarded during the month of June 2023. So this is the internship program and further more details. So what you are supposed to do is you just need to go to the official link of the application process, and this is what basically what they're trying to say is, you have to apply to the university. You have to meet the criteria of the university. You need to clear your GMAT or GRE score, IELTS, TOEFL if necessary, and your essay, recommendation letters, your resume, your acceptance of policies, whatever the deadline is. I mean, whatever the requirements of the university itself is. You meet that requirement. You apply to the university. You get an admission letter, and after that, you come back to this address. Send all of your documents right here that I've been accepted, and now I want to apply to the scholarship, and then you will have a chance to apply for the scholarship. But at first, getting admission at Harvard Business School is not a joke, I would say. So the scholarship is for brilliant students, having outstanding academic record. So if you are one of them, then I would say it's not hard for you to getting admission letter as well as the scholarship. So if you guys have still any doubts, questions, difficulties, do let us know in the comment sections below. I did explain overall the scenario, how you are going to start and end. I wish you guys all the very best. If you guys have still any doubts, questions, difficulties, you guys can contact us in the comment sections below. Till then, thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.